Hi viewers, welcome to my channel Maths by Mother. Today's topic is trigonometric ratios of 0 degrees and 90 degrees of trigonometry from 10th standard textbook. Thanks for watching my videos and subscribing my channel. Before getting into the topic, I request you to like and subscribe my channel and also click on the bell icon to get my upcoming videos. Let's get into the topic. Consider a right angle triangle ABC. Here length of the AC is R. R is making acute angle with ray AB. When the ray R is closer on AB, that means AC is very closer to side AB, so that the angle made by it decreases. When the angle A decreases, the length of BC also decreases. That means B is closer from B2, B1 and B2 and B3 and so on. Finally, when the angle become 0, if A is equal to 0 degrees, finally the angle becomes 0, the length of BC will also become 0. BC is equal to 0. Here BC is the opposite side of this triangle. So the adjacent side AB is equals to hypotenuse AC. AC is merged with AB. Here AC is equal to R. Therefore, AC is equal to AB is equal to R. By the definition of trigonometric ratios, sin 0 degrees is equal to side opposite to angle 0 degrees by hypotenuse. That is equal to side, here opposite side is BC, AB is adjacent side, R is the length of this triangle, hypotenuse. BC by AC, so by R is equal to 0. Cos 0 degrees is equal to side adjacent to angle 0 degrees by hypotenuse. That is equal to AB by AC. That is equal to R by R is equal to RR will get cancelled 1. Next, tan 0 degrees is equal to sin 0 degrees by cos 0 degrees. That is equal to sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1. It is equal to 0. Next, cot 0 degrees is equal to 1 by tan 0 degrees. 1 by 0 is equal to undefined, is equal to infinity. secant 0 degrees is equal to, this is the reciprocal function of cos 0 degrees, that is equal to 1 by 1. Next, cosecant 0 degrees, that is equal to 1 by, this is reciprocal function of sine 0 degrees, that is equal to 1 by 0. 1 by 0 value is undefined, that is equal to infinity. If A is equal to 90 degrees, here the ray R is away from the side AB. So, gradually the height of BC increases, the angle on C gets continuous increment. At last the angle reaches 90 degrees. At the time the point B is merges with the point A. Therefore, AC is equal to BC is equal to R. So, when the angle becomes 90 degrees, the angle of adjacent side would become 0. AB is equal to 0. By the definition of trigonometric ratios, sine 90 degrees is equal to side opposite to angle 90 degrees by hypotenuse, that is equal to BC by AC, that is equal to BC length is R and AC length is also R. That is equal to 1. Next, cos 90 degrees, side adjacent to angle 90 degrees by hypotenuse, that is equal to AB by AC. AB length is 0, AC length is 1, is equal to 0. Next, tan 90 degrees, sine 90 degrees by cos 90 degrees, that is equal to sine 90 is 1 and cos 90 degrees is 0. Undefined, 1 by 0 value is undefined. That is equal to infinity. Next, secant 90 degrees, 1 by cos 90 degrees. One by cos 90 value is 0, that is equal to undefined, infinity. Cosecant 90 degrees is equal to 1 by sine 90 degrees. that is equal to 1 by 1 is equal to 1.